my channel. Hope you're all doing good. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cut a sleeveless dress. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you for your constant support. God bless you. For you to know how much fabric you are going to fold for your dress, you have to measure your hip circumference. Then whatever you get, you have to add between 3 and 4 to 8. Today, I'm going to use a paper to demonstrate to you how to make a sleeveless dress. Here is the paper that I'm going to use. I'm going to cut the front panel. The length of the paper I will be using is 36 inches. 36 inches. That's the length of the paper that I will be using today. I will have to mark half an inch here. Don't forget you are going to fold your fabric into two this way. I mark half an inch, you can see it, so that will be my starting point. The width of my paper is 13.5 inches. Now I will have to take my vertical measurement. I'm going to place my tape under my starting point, so I will mark my bust. So the bust I'm working with is 9 inches, the waist is 17 inches, and the hip is 24 inches. I'm going to make a straight line. Here is the bust. Here is the waist of 17 inches. And here is the hip 24 inches. I'm going to take my shoulder line. So the shoulder line I will be working with is 15 inches. 15 inches divided by 2, that will give us 7.5 inches. So this is 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches. I will come down by 1 inch here for the slope. Then I will mark the neck width of 3 inches, neck depth of 3.5 inches. Then I will connect the line together. Then I will connect the 1 inch for the slope with neck width. Then I will come down by 8 inches for the armhole. I'll bring my ruler, then I mark a straight line here. Make a straight line here as well. Remember I said we are making sleeveless dress, so I will have to come in by half an inch here. What I will do next is to half length of my armhole, which is 4 inches. Then I will connect the line together. This is where I'm going to connect it together. That's our armhole. Then we come back to the bust line. So the bust line we are working with is 38. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5. We are going to go to the waist. So the waist is 36. 36 divided by 4, that is 9 inches. So I'm going to mark my 9 inches here. I think you can see it. Then I will come to the hip line. The hip line is 40 inches. So 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches. So here is 10 inches. And I will mark 1.5 inches here for seam and sewing. 1.5 inches for seam and allowance. So we are going to transfer the measurement of the hip down here. So we have 11.5. So we are going to transfer 11.5 here. 11.5. But I'm going to add half an inch to it. So that will be 12. So I will be marking 12 inches here. So after doing that, I'm going to connect bust to waist. Then from waist to hip I'm going to connect it together. Then from hip to down part, I'm going to make a straight line. Our blouse is ready. Then you come up here. Just give this a small curve. The next thing right now is to cut out our paper. We can start cutting from anywhere. Don't forget, you are going to mark half an inch here for the seam. You are going to connect it together. Your dress is ready. Let's start the cutting. So here is the neck. Let me do this one so that you'll be able to get it. So let's start from here. I think you can see it here. And that's the slope area. Then you turn it. And you cut the neckline area. So that's the neck. Then you can start from the bottom. And come up here. So here is our dress. The dress is ready. You can see it. You can see the beauty of it. It's not hard. You can make it within 5 minutes. It's very simple to make. If you want to make your dress, it's very simple to make. You can use 1.5 yards of fabric to make it. If you want to cut the back panel of your fabric, all you have to do is to place the first panel on it. Then you do it this way. You leave 1 inch. If you want to insert zip, so you leave 1 inch. Then you make a straight line down so that you'll be able to insert your zip. But if you don't want to insert zip, you can as well slit the back of your fabric so that you'll be able to attach button on it. So you can measure 4 inches or 3 inches. Just slit it here. Then you cut it out. So that will be for your button. I'm going to open it. You can see the hip area. You can see the armhole area. You can see it. So it is very simple to make. So if you are viewing my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget as well to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you so much for your constant support. God bless you. Bye. So here's it.